For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a spa business can be both personally fulfilling and financially rewarding, especially in a wellness-driven market. Spas cater to a growing audience seeking relaxation, rejuvenation, and health-enhancing treatments. Using free AI tools can significantly cut your startup costs, speed up your workflow, and give you a competitive edge in planning, branding, and operations. This guide outlines step-by-step how to use free AI tools at every stage of launching your spa business. Step 1. Define your spa business concept. Begin by deciding what type of spa business you want to start: day spa, medical spa, mobile spa, or destination spa. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm and refine your spa concept. You can prompt it with, "ChatGPT, help me brainstorm unique spa business ideas and services based on current wellness trends." Use the AI to generate a name, brand theme, and core offerings. Another useful prompt might be, "ChatGPT, suggest brand name ideas for a spa business focused on eco-friendly and organic treatments." Once you have a clear concept, you can use free mind mapping tools like MindMeister's basic version to visually organize your services, customer journey, and branding. Step 2. Conduct market research with AI support. Understanding your local market is essential. You can use ChatGPT to generate a market research strategy by asking, "ChatGPT, create a market research plan for a spa business in your city." Combine this with free AI data tools like Google Trends to analyze search interest in spa-related terms in your region. Also, use tools like Answer the Public to explore what questions people are asking about spas and wellness. This data can help tailor your services and pricing. Step 3. Write a business plan using AI assistance. A business plan will guide your decisions and is often required for funding. You can use ChatGPT to generate a customized spa business plan by prompting, "ChatGPT, write a detailed business plan for a spa business offering massage, facials, and aromatherapy in an urban setting." You can then refine each section with more prompts like, "Expand on the marketing strategy for my spa business targeting working professionals aged 25 to 45. Include AI-generated financial projections using free spreadsheet tools like Google Sheets, with ChatGPT helping generate formulas or templates if you prompt, "ChatGPT, help me create a financial projection spreadsheet for my spa business with expected monthly revenue and expenses." Step 4. Register your business and handle legal aspects. With your plan ready, register your spa business with local authorities. Use AI to draft documents like a business registration form or legal disclaimers by prompting, "ChatGPT, write a basic legal disclaimer for massage and wellness services." For free logo trademark checks, use online tools like USPTO's test database. To help with licenses and permits, you can prompt, "ChatGPT, what licenses do I need to start a spa business in your city/state?" This will give you a checklist of tasks to complete with local agencies. Step 5. Design your branding and marketing assets using AI. Creating compelling visuals for your spa is crucial for attracting clients. Use Canva's free AI-powered design tools to create a logo, flyers, business cards, and social media graphics. ChatGPT can help you generate design briefs with prompts like, "ChatGPT, write a design brief for a calming and luxurious spa logo." For your website, use free AI website builders like Wix ADI or Durable.co, which can auto-generate a basic site. Ask ChatGPT, write website copy for a spa homepage that promotes relaxation, natural treatments, and skilled therapists. Pair this with royalty-free images from sites like Pexels or Pixabay. Step 6. Develop a marketing plan with AI tools. Create a marketing plan tailored to your target audience. Use ChatGPT to generate one by prompting, "ChatGPT, write a 3-month marketing plan for launching a new spa business using Instagram, local SEO, and influencer collaborations." AI can also help you write weekly email newsletters, blog posts about wellness, or even text messages for promotions. A prompt like, write a weekly email campaign for a spa offering discounted facials and massages during the first month will give you content to plug into free tools like MailChimp's free plan. Use Google Bard or ChatGPT to draft social media content calendars, captions, and hashtags by asking, generate 10 Instagram captions for a new spa offering luxurious relaxation experiences. Step 7. Find and set up your spa location. Selecting the right location is essential. You can use AI to compare different locations by prompting ChatGPT, compare the pros and cons of opening a spa in a shopping center versus a standalone building. Once you've found a location, use free AI interior design tools like Planner 5D or RoomGPT to visualize your spa layout. Prompt ChatGPT with, help me plan a spa floor layout that includes 3 treatment rooms, a waiting area, and a small office. If you need help negotiating a lease or understanding commercial lease terms, you can ask ChatGPT, explain the key terms in a commercial lease for a spa business. Step 8. Recruit and train staff using AI assistants. You'll need massage therapists, estheticians, and front desk staff. Use ChatGPT to write job descriptions and hiring ads by prompting, write a job ad for a licensed massage therapist for a new luxury spa in Miami. Post these on free platforms like Indeed or local job boards. For training materials, AI can generate customized onboarding guides. Use a prompt like, create a spa employee training manual covering customer service, hygiene, and upselling treatments. Conclusion. Launching a spa business using free AI tools is not only possible, it's a smart, efficient way to build a brand from the ground up without a massive startup budget. From planning and branding to marketing and operations, AI can act as your digital assistant every step of the way. By leveraging tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Google Trends, and website builders, you can bring your vision to life faster and with more confidence. The key is to stay focused, use prompts strategically, and treat AI as a creative partner in building a spa that offers real value to your clients. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.